Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bmmh. My national number is B09-201-0307. My industrial coach adalah Mr. Lee Min Pin from Bmmh Malaysia's number hat. For the first test, I will identify and classify the company product lineup from Bmmh Malaysia. For the definition, Bmmh Malaysia serves consumer by become fabric ducting supplier around Malaysia region, typically made of polyester and synthetic material. The product lineup can be vary between supplier and manufacturer. We generally include the range of products designed from the specific application and requirement. This is the shape of fabric ducting that Bmmh provide to the consumer that available, which is round, semi-round, quarter round, sector, and segment. For negative pressure, we provide square and triangle. Usually, we have two common fabric material, which is air permeable and non-air permeable. The first one is air permeable, used to prevent the water condensation on the surface of the diffuser, and the supply air will penetrate along the fabric cavity. It will prevent most growth in the diffuser. The second one is non-air permeable. It is airtight fabric that behave like a steel ducting. It's suitable for spot cooling systems such as food factory or cooling medium for machinery. The second clarify is custom printing that change of display specific logo, pattern or photo on the fabric. We have basic color, which is 9 basic color is offered, which is white, yellow, light gray, dark gray, green, red, light blue, blue and black. Secondly is Bmmh also provide the customized art for the building owner to choose their own design. The third clarify is diffuser. Bmmh Malaysia provides 9 type of diffuser for building owner according to building application. The first one is membrane diffuser. This is combination of two type of diffuser into one. The beginning of the membrane is lightweight, non-permeable material, sew all along the duct length. The end of the membrane is attached to the pipe, which is controlled by servo motor or manually. In heating mode, the motor moves the membrane to cover the cooling diffuser located at the top of the duct. The supplied air exits the heating perforation on the bottom of the duct. In cooling mode, the motor moves to the membrane to cover the heating perforation at the bottom of the duct, and cool the cool supply air leave the perforation at the top of the duct. The membranes allow two totally different diffusion styles in one duct. For the second one is negative pressure ducting. We supply only square and triangular shape of fabric ducting. The fabric is essential for extract ducting. We tension the wall using combination of suspension profile, tensioning bolt and threaded bar. Air is drawn into the duct through perforation that can be positioned any side and anywhere along the length of the duct. The third one is isolated ducting, used to reduce the heat losses when overcoming sections which are not air conditioned or prevent condensation. Next is latent width membrane. Original inside construction based on double wall and impermeable membrane allow switching direction of airflow. This is the fabric shutter. Fabric shutter close whole cross section of diffuser or ducting and avoid air distribution or air transport into area behind its location. It is made of fabric that removable inside metal construction of thin rod. The initial conical membrane close the cross section with supporting fabric grill to leave it open. It can be operated manually or by servo motor. Anti-static design is intended for rooms where a build-up for uncontrolled discharge of static elasticity must be avoided, or anti-static system consists four measures. Number one, number one is a conductive fabric premium. Number two is highly conductive strip installed all along the line of the duct. Number three is all zipper are equipped with metal joints. Number four is a thin point at the end of the duct. Next is defrost damper. Defrost damper collapse over the evaporator fan face, blocking off the front of the cooler. This is for stopping unwanted fan rotation and speed up the process of defrosting. It is made of light fabric which ensure good covering for the cooling device. Combined half-round section is combination of several half-round diffuser sewn together side by side. It enables high air volume with a relatively small duct height. Lastly is double ducting, is to prevent the condensation happen in the ducting. The interlayer is maintained in the correct position by flow of air. Prehoda provide 5 types of nozzle that we commonly use, which is small nozzle, big nozzle, adjustable perforation, closable nozzle, and lastly adjustable length and arch. For the accessories, we have a noise attenuator, equalizer, pocket, damper, and anti-deflector, bead absorber, tensioner, and support arcs, rings, helix reinforcing system. For task number 2 is analyze advantage of each company product. The classic of premium fabric ducting. Number one is cost effective. It is affordable than metal ductwork, making them a budget friendly option for certain applications. Number two is lightweight, typically much lighter than metal sheet duct. Number three is customized. It can be customized in terms of size, color, and air distribution pattern. Number four is moisture resistant. The polyester material fabric have good resistance of moisture. The second one is permeable fabric duct. It is condensation prevention. Permeable fabric allow to release the moisture in the duct throughout the fiber of the fabric and prevent condensation happen by decrease the temperature between inside and outside of the fabric. The second one is energy efficiency. By delivering air more efficiently, permeable fabric can help lower energy consumption and HVAC unit caused by provide more even distribution of air along their length. Number three is endless fiber material. Endless fiber prevent the fabric from become hairy after repeating washing. Next advantage of fabric ducting is fire retardant. It is for safety. Fire retardant fabric is designed to meet the safety standard and regulation to reducing the risk of fire hazard. Number two is compliance, suitable for application where fire safety compliance is critical, such as kitchen, public building, or industry facility. Number four is customized fabric for specialized environment. It is custom solution. Fabric ducting can be designed to meet unique need application such as pattern airflow, clean room, or corrosive atmosphere. Number two is improved air quality. Specialized fabric duct can be maintained the air quality environment condition. Last advantage is Prehoda specialty. Prehoda provide 20 years of warranty for permeable fabric. It can be claimed if any failure design happen or fabric tears or the color faded within 20 years. Second one is tag every fabric. Every pre-order product have their own identity record. If anything happens to our product, we can replace the same design of color of the product for our customer. The third task is generate a report on working principle and method applied to the product to achieve energy saving. The first one is working principle to achieve energy saving is low air velocity. Fabric ducting operate in lower air velocity to compare to metal ducting. Minimum of static pressure needed is 20 Pascal for lightweight and 50 Pascal for medium and heavy fabric. The second one is permeable fabric. Permeable fabric ducting prevent the condensation happen in the duct, which can decrease HVAC efficiency. The third one is customized airflow. Fabric duct allow precise control of airflow and temperature, optimizing HVAC performance. For example, perforated outlet helps the HVAC system by separate the cool air evenly to the entire space. It will decrease the it will decrease the time of HVAC system to cool the whole building. The second one is method applied to achieve energy saving of fabric ducting, which is airflow management. Fabric ducting can be divided into a several zones for allowing the control the temperature and airflow in different areas. It is to minimize the energy waste in unoccupied areas. The second one is fabric ducting design. We use a proper design application to get correct design of the ducting according to building application, which can reduce the energy required to condition the air. The third one is regular maintenance. Scheduled maintenance is to ensure the fabric operate at the peak efficiency, reducing energy waste due to clogging duct or other issues. For the conclusion is fabric ducting offer numerous energy saving advantage through their working principle and applied method. Proper airflow management, design and maintenance will contribute achieve significant energy saving. That's all for me. Thank you.